Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today, let's talk about Suno AI Music. Suno AI Music is an artificial intelligence powered platform designed for music creation and composition. Here's a brief interview of its features, applications, and how it works. Start by creating an account on the Suno AI platform. Next, go to Create tab, and then enter the lyrics or describe the song that you want. Then click Write About. Choose the genre, mood, and instruments you want to include in your composition. This can help guide the AI in generating music that fits your desired style. Click the Create button to generate music. The AI will process your preferences and create a unique track based on your inputs. Once the music is generated, listen to the track. You may have the option to make adjustments, such as changing the arrangement or adding effects. When you're satisfied with the composition, export it in your preferred format for use in videos, presentations, or other projects. An example use cases for this AI are perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, and social media influencers who need royalty-free music for their content. Suno AI Music is useful for filmmakers looking for background scores or thematic music without the need for hiring a composer. Take note that users should be aware of the terms of use recording the generated music, especially if they plan to use it commercially. While AI can create impressive compositions, the quality can vary based on the complexity of user inputs and the underlying algorithms. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.